We're in Sterling Heights, Michigan, installing a French drain system along with running a new sump line. Water used to stand in the backyard here where you see our channel for our French drain stone. And the sump line used to run to a dry well. You can't do dry wells on a clay lot. They just fill up like a bathtub, and once they're full, they overflow. And then you end up with standing water. There was an 1.5 inch pipe running off this to that dry well, and it was doing nothing. That's why they had to rig the system so the water would at least dump. They're just basically recirculating water, and it was collecting in the corner of the backyard. So we went to a 4-inch Schedule 40, and we're running that right down to our channel for our French drain stone. Basically, we tied the Schedule 40 into its own perforated, corrugated pipe, and it's going to share the channel that our French drain is in. The dual pipes then go underneath the fence, underneath the walk, and discharge in the ditch. If you want the job done right the first time, give us a call.